Oraimo FlowMotion Gimbal unboxing and full review. Let's get into it. Now, the package doesn't really look heavy, as well as it doesn't really also look lightweight as well. It's somewhere within the middle, not so heavy, not so lightweight. And so let's tear it down. It has the fill light as well, and then this part, everything is manual. You have to adjust it, the angles and everything. Then it has a screw for you to loosen or increase the tightness, and then there's this AI tracking camera which would track you, which we'll talk more deeply in the latter parts of this video. But in a quick setup tutorial, you just need to screw it on the bees. It's just a quick setup process, so just screwing it and you are done. Make sure you don't screw it too much, because this is where it will be turning and doing all the movement. So once you screw it, it's as simple as that. This is how it looks when you first set it up. So a quick setup from scratch if you just got this device. This is how you set it up if you do not know what to do. So this is the top of the tripod where you place your phone, and as I said, this thing rotates, but then everything is manual over here. You can place your phone and then adjust it accordingly. So the first thing you might want to do is to set up the Bluetooth shutter. Take it off the case it comes with, or the pouch, and then turn it on so that you'll be able to use it. By default, it is off. So once you are able to turn it on, you're going to see that there is this blue light that will be blinking, which shows that it has been turned on. And once you're done, you just place it back into the pouch it came with, and then you're going to place it on the gimbal. So as you can see on the gimbal, there's this line that shows you where it is supposed to be placed. So there is a certain ring around it, so that shows you that this is where you place the Bluetooth shutter. So once you're done placing the Bluetooth shutter, You are almost halfway there. And on the tripod, you can see that there is a fill light which has a USB-C port. So you're going to use the USB-C to A cable which came with it to charge it, or any other USB-C cable you have, then you're going to charge it. By default, when this thing came, it was turned off, and so I wasn't able to show you in this video. But then this is quickly how you set it up. Just as simple as that. Once you're done, you just need to place the base around it. As you can see, there is a place where you just place it in, and a couple of turns you are done with setting up this beast of a device. So this is how you set it up. As you can see, there is a push button to turn this thing on, and then there is a place where you can charge it using USB-C, and then there are two buttons for gesture control and AI tracking. So you just need to push the button, and as simple as that, this thing has been turned on. As simple as that. You don't need to move through any stress or any hassle. This thing has been turned on. So quickly, let me just show you how the face tracking and everything works, and then we'll get into a more detailed use very soon. So with the gestures, you do the OK gesture for 3 seconds, and the red light turns to green. It flashes to green, and this means that face tracking has been turned on. I'm going to demonstrate this with my phone quickly so that you see what I mean by that.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up.
So to actually test for the quality of this gimbal, we're outdoors and we're coming to basically test it on 3 things, which is stabilization, motion control, and face tracking. So join me as we test this together.
I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell.
So as you can see, by default, when you turn on the gimbal, face tracking would be turned on, and wherever you go, this thing is going to follow you, just as you can see on what I'm showing you right now. So this one is with no cameraman, but then AI, which is artificial intelligence face tracking, is at work, and so wherever I'm going, this thing would follow me. So this is very, very useful if you are a solo content creator or a TikToker or somebody who works alone and would need most of these things or most of these features to be able to work on with. Thank you very much. Let's move on. The next thing we're testing here is gesture control. So with the gesture control, you set the OK gesture for 2 seconds and the red light will flash to green. This means that face tracking is turned on, and as you can see, it follows me everywhere I go like MTN. Now to stop it, you do the pound gesture for 3 seconds to stop the face tracking, and as you can see, it doesn't follow me anymore. And you can also click the gesture control button twice, and it is going to give you a 360 rotation without any control. It's going to turn around 360 degrees, that is all round or a full circle. Next thing we are testing in this video is how stabilized the thing is. So this is the footage of how it looks when I place my phone on the gimbal. What do you think? And I'll show you how it also looks without the gimbal in a minute. And so, ladies and gentlemen, if you found this video helpful, like this video, let me know what you think about this device in the comment section. Subscribe and put us on post notifications so that whenever we drop some content like this, you would be notified. Would you consider buying the Oraimo FlowMotion Gimbal? Let me know in the comment section. And as always, my name is Apiamera. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Ciao.